Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2013 Range Rover Estate Autobiography V8 Supercharged we have new in stock. Autobiographies come with astonishing specifications as standard, let alone some of the added features you've got on this particular vehicle. To start with some of the optional features, this Autobiography is finished in the Luxor Premium Metallic paint. You've also got the 22-inch Turbine style alloy wheels with a diamond turned finish as an optional feature, and you've got the full-size spare wheel in the rear of the car. You've got some of the Autobiography trim around the exterior being displayed here with the matte silver and the chrome trim inserts. You've got LED tail lights, your LED daytime running lights with bi-xenon headlights, privacy glass, and much more. The interior comes with some of the softest leathers available on a Range Rover. You can see you've got the full perforated leather seats in the front and the rear. You've got full electric functions for the driver and the passenger in the front, as well as lumbar support, and the full electric functions for the passengers in the rear as well. Both the front and rear seats are heated and cooled. You've got massage functions for the front seats. You've got the rear entertainment for the passenger in the back with the remote as well. Some of the interior optional features you have on this Range Rover consist of the rubber floor mats, the leather headlining, and the heated wood and leather steering wheel. You can see the wood trim on the top and the lower half of the steering wheel here. You've got access to the adaptive cruise control from here as well. On the door cards, you've got your memory settings for the driver and the passenger seat. You've got your Meridian sound system, some of the interior gloss wood inlay trims. That continues onto the centre console with the wood trim as well. You've got some of the silver inserts, your drive selector, some of your dynamic driving modes and different driving assists. You've also got your climate control functions further up with access to your seat functions as well and your climate control functions on the centre screen. You've got the refrigerator in the centre console. On the centre screen, you can see that you've got access to your reversing camera, some of your infotainment features such as DAB radio and live television. Lastly, you can see that you've got the dual panoramic sunroof over the top, which is another one of the standard inclusions of the Range Rover Autobiography. If you'd like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this particular vehicle, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.